Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with a brand new video and a very different one to say the least, and that is because in today's video we're going to be talking about the famous chef Nusr-ET, aka Salt Bae, one of the most famous chefs in the world, and how he utilizes DJI drones to help him in his work. That's right guys, Mr. Nusr-ET posted in his Instagram multiple posts involving the use of a DJI Phantom 4 Pro B 2.0, and in today's video we're going to be sharing with that and talking about it in today's video. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we will always be the first ones to bring the latest drones no matter what. And also we're in the road to 10,000 subscribers and we're currently extremely close to 6,000. So if you're watching today's video and you're not subscribed to the channel yet, I invite you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can help us get to that goal, which we're really not that far away from. And also I want to apologize for the audio on the video from yesterday. I apologize for that. While we were filming, the microphone broke, and therefore the audio was not recording onto the microphone, so I apologize for that, but the audio has now been fixed. We just ordered a brand new microphone, so hopefully the audio should be on point. So with that being said guys, let's go ahead and get started with today's video, which is going to be quite exciting. So Nusr-ET, a very famous steak chef in the world with over 35 million followers on Instagram, gave us two different posts in the past week. So let's go ahead and take a look at his first post from a week ago, where he used a DJI Phantom 4 Pro B 2.0 to help him in the kitchen. So let's go ahead and take a look at it guys, right here on screen.
Come on, y'all. Don't forget. You know.
I know.
We can see how Chef Nusr-ET uses the drone to help him in his work. We can see how it brings him different stuff such as fish, meat, and other stuff. So quite interesting to see how he was able to attach the food to the Phantom 4 Pro B 2.0. And also we do know that the Phantom 4 is pretty capable. It's a very capable drone and it can definitely lift some pretty heavy weight. So definitely it looks like that was not an issue for the Phantom 4 Pro B 2.0. Now let's go ahead and take a look at his latest post from yesterday, where he uploaded another video involving the same drone once again, but now this time it took place in the Hollywood Hills, behind the mountains, with a very famous sign. The first post took place in his new restaurant Nusr-ET at Beverly Hills. Now this took place in a different spot, but this is quite different, and this is because this does not involve him in the kitchen, but rather it brings him his beloved cappuccino, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it right here on the screen.
Cappuccino.
There we have it. So I think pretty interesting how he was able to attach the cappuccino to the drone, and how he was able to attach kind of like a tray under the drone. So definitely quite interesting, and most importantly how it didn't fail. And also we can see that it's not just a normal cappuccino, it is a cappuccino with a 24-karat gold leaf on top. So it looks like Mr. Nusr-ET likes luxurious stuff, guys. So pretty interesting. I wanted to share this info with you. I think it's a different kind of video, but I think it was worth noting. famous people like this, I think it was pretty important to share this with you, and how different people use drones for different stuff. Some people use drones to fish, some other people use it for photography, others for real estate photography, others for mapping, and others for agriculture. But in this case, Nusr-ET uses his DJI Phantom 4 Pro B 2.0 as his personal assistant and also as his chef assistant. So quite interesting. That's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion signing out.